Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kelsey. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I'm going to be talking about my panning plans for 2018. So in the last 3 months of 2017, I started a pan, my first ever pan project where I was trying to use products up by the end of the year. I chose 7 things and I ended up finishing 4 out of the 7, I think, and so I did pretty good. And leading up to the end of 2017, I was thinking about what panning looks like for 2018, what I was wanting to do, what I was wanting to accomplish, and even up until a few days ago, I was pretty set on the idea that I was gonna do 18 products in 2018. Then I started looking through my makeup collection. I don't have a giant makeup collection. I'm definitely not a person that has so many things. I have a lot, but it's not a ton. I started counting out the things that I would be interested in finishing by the end of the year, which were all products that I thought I had a good chance of finishing, but it was all of my makeup. It was all of my face makeup. And then I wasn't counting any mascaras or eyeliners because I figure I'm gonna use those anyways, and I feel that doesn't really count. And then I kind of got to about 8 things that I was yes, I could use these all the time, or I'm gonna use these until they're gone. And I was just I feel I'm forcing it. I feel it's just not coming naturally. I liked the finishing the products by the end of the year because I was able to just kind of pick a few things that I was yeah, I could finish these in the next 3 months. I've got a chance at finishing these, but the whole year is huge. I'm having a hard time with it. So instead of doing a big thing for 2018, I'll probably do something later on in the year like I did this last year where I just did use it up by the end of the year. So I'll probably do that again because that was fun. But the thing that I think I'm going to be focusing my efforts on is this eyeshadow palette. I mentioned this in my favorites for 2017. I got this at the end of 2016. It is the Morphe and Kathleen Lights palette. This was a limited edition item, and I love this thing. I use it all the time, but I go through phases where I just totally forget about it, and I'll use other things, which I love using other things too, but I feel I can get so many really good looks out of this. I'm wearing it today, pretty natural-esque, really nudie kind of a look, you know? But this is what the palette looks like on the inside. And I'm not planning on finishing this whole thing up. I think that's ridiculous. I have no chance in that. But there's a few things that I'd like to work towards. So as you can see, I have this color here that I have definitely hit pan on. This is something I use every day when I use this palette. And then this color here is actually hit palette by my cat. My cat loves to jump up onto my vanity while I'm doing my makeup and sit in the spotlight of my light there. But that often means that she's clawing at my makeup. And so this one has a little claw mark. I don't know if you can see it, but a little trolley claw mark. But I do use that one pretty much every time I use this palette as well. Some other favorites in here is this color. It's a great transition color. There is shimmer in it, but it doesn't translate as shimmery. It's kind of weird. It doesn't come across on the eyes like it's shimmery. I have it all in my crease today, and I feel there's no shimmer going on. I do like this color as well. I feel it's a pretty good building crease color. I love this color. It's a nice mustardy yellow warm color. I feel it wears really well with my eyes. I feel it just pulls the green color out, and I really love that. And then these two reddish colors I really like as well. I'm kind of wearing all of those colors that I just showed you on my eyes today, just in different ways. I do really like these colors over here. You've got this nice kind of grayish taupey color. This shimmer here is beautiful. This is super pretty. I don't I don't honestly know if I've ever used this. This color is beautiful. I love using it with this color and kind of just doing like a really simple kind of two shadow look. And then the shimmers over here are really pretty as well. This one, and this one. They're all kind of on the warmer spectrum. And then you've just got a really great black. So I love this palette, but so my goals with it. I want to hit real pan on this one. This one's already at pan. I have a feeling I might be able to use that up this year. And then I want to hit pan on this one. Well, yeah, just those two really. So like that transition color, the like mustardy color. And then I just want to experiment, because when I use this, I often go with the same look, like something like this or simpler, and just like really neutral colors. But there's some great colors in here, like this army green, kind of a shimmer. Maybe I'll use that, probably not. I mean, the reds I use often, but continue to use those. And like these shimmers I don't get a ton of use out of because I don't usually wear a lot of shimmer. But so my goal is I just want to use this. It's by the end of this year it'll be 2 years old, and out of like my newer palettes, like I have like 1 or 2 like older palettes, but out of like my newer palettes that I still have around, this is the oldest one. And I don't know, there's no like month marker on here, but I'm sure most eyeshadows are like 2 years is when you kind of want to use them up. And so I just like to get a lot of use out of this palette this year. I don't know if that makes sense. I feel like I'm not setting like really precise goals or anything, but I just know I love this palette and I will use it. And so I just like to make some progress on it and like come up with some different looks and get experimental with it. And I'm sorry that you can't buy it still, but if you have it, you'll have to let me know your thoughts down below. Maybe like some of your favorite looks you do with this. I think that'd be really fun. But yeah, so that's kind of my goal for 2018 as of right now. So I'm sorry if that's not super exciting, but I'm excited about it. Now this doesn't mean I'm not going to be using like my other palettes, because I've got a lot of other palettes back there that I love to use. I'm actually going to be doing a palette week is it next week or the next week? Coming up with this new Morphe palette, which Morphe, that's funny. I got 2 Morphe palettes for Christmas, then I have this one. I like them. I think Morphe shadows are great. But I'm going to be doing a palette week with that in the next week or so. I don't remember. But I'm really excited about that. And I feel like having this kind of small goal is freeing, because it lets me use other things. So yeah, we'll do a few check-ins with this throughout the year, kind of see how it goes. If I'm not enjoying it, I guess we'll just end it, but I think I'm gonna keep using this all year and just really get a lot of use out of it. So if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to, subscribe down below. I would love to have you around. And until next time, bye guys!